Galaxy A20e, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to open sound and vibration and go to ringtone. So pick the SIM card that you would like to change your ringtone to. I will pick the first one, and from the following options you can select the one that you like the most. So simply by tapping on the particular tone you can choose it, but I will come along with all the sounds and then select the one that I like the most. So let's start with Asteroid. Volume it up a bit. And let me pick Puddles. Now you can go back, and as you can see, it has been changed. So this is how you can smoothly and easily change ringtone in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.